Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who are new to my channel, and I like to make any kind of creative videos, whether that be makeup, reviews, fashion, drawing, cooking. Those are the kind of videos to expect in this channel. So if you guys like those kinds of videos, please subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Give this video a thumbs up, and let's get on to what this video is about. Obviously, this video is all about Skims. So I just received my Skims order today. I bought something, the Cozy Knit collection, or 2 items of the Cozy Knit collection. And I got them on the 28th. I bought them on the 28th and I received them today, which is the 2nd of January, which is honestly super fast shipping on her part, which I appreciate because I was so excited to get my hands on these items. So I bought 2 things. The 2 things that I did get were the robe and the pants. I wanted to get the shirt too, but it was all out of stock. On any color really, they were all out of stock. So I just ended up getting the robe and the pants in the color bone. So they are these 2 back here. So these are the pants. They have a very thick band, you know, obviously, and they are long. They are not tapered whatsoever at the bottom, or there's no cinching or anything. They're just super flowy. They are pretty long on me. I am 4'11", so I'm super short. So anything that's made for regular people isn't gonna fit me, you know, lengthwise, because I am very short. I wish she would have these like in a petite size, because that would be perfect. But I also hear that some people that are taller than me, much more taller than me, have the problem that they are too short and it looks awkward. So, I mean, I guess I prefer them to look long than short. I mean, for myself at least. Now, they do shed a little bit. Yeah, see? It's nothing that I'm gonna be like complaining about. I mean, I do see it on the floor and stuff, but it's nothing that I'm gonna be so angry about. I mean, I feel like for the price, she could have done a little bit better with the shedding of the material. I will let you guys know the prices on these items, obviously. So, yeah, so these were the pants. I got them in a size large, extra large, as well as the robe. So this is the color bone. I thought it was going to be a little bit more white. It's a little bit more of the cream, a cream color. I mean, it's not bad. It's not throwing me off. I still like it. But I did want it to be a little bit more white. Then the robe here looks like this. It's a big old thing. It does have a little bit of a cinch at the arms on the wrists, which that's good. Nothing too tight, but obviously not like a bell bottom like the pants. And then these do have pockets on the sides, on both sides. It has pockets, which is amazing. I love pockets. And then it does have the tassel, you know, to tie around you. So like just a tie to tie around your waist to cinch it in if you want to. I personally don't like to. I like it all flowy and stuff. So these are not machine washable. You cannot go get them dry cleaned or anything. These are hand washed. So you're gonna have to go old school and hand wash these if anything happens to them. For me, it's no problem. I was taught how to hand wash things, so don't worry about that. I don't worry about that, at least. So, yeah, quality, it is very warm. It is super thick. It is heavy. It is like, I mean, it has a weight to it. It is stretchy, so that's why I feel like maybe I could have gone with a medium. But those sizes were all gone, and I did want to get my hands on it, so I opted for I just was like, okay, I'll get the large, extra large. It's fine. Now, for the pants, the large, extra large fit fine. There's no problem. I mean, I am working on losing the weight that I gained from the past 2 years. I'm hoping. I'm putting all my good energy into that. I'm trying hard. But so they still fit good. Now the robe does feel a little bit loose and baggy, especially on the arm area. It's just too much for me personally, I don't like that. But I mean, it is a cozy thing. It feels more like a blanket kind of a thing. So she did say that she could even wear them as cardigans, which is probably what I will do with the robe because it looks cute. Wear with some jeans and then this. It'd be cute. So yeah, I really do like it. Again, quality wise, it's really good. It's super soft. My only complaint is the shedding of these little fuzzies. It just sheds a lot for some weird reason. But yeah, super soft, super warm. I love it. I really do enjoy them. Ugh, my hair. Now, see, I have a fuzzy red on my lip gloss. Now, for the prices of these items, you guys better sit down. Like, sit down and grab a glass of water, because the prices that I'm going to tell you are a little extreme, in my opinion. So for the robe, the cozy knit robe, retails for $128. Mother, if you're watching, please sit down, okay? I don't want you passing out. Okay. Now, the pants, the cozy knit pant is $88. Did you guys hear that? $88 for some pants. That's a lot. And the shirt that I wanted to get that is sold out, which is the cozy knit tank, is $52. I did do a what is it called, a notify me when back in stock, because I do want to get that. But yeah, the good thing is that Skims has the afterpay option, which is good for people, I mean, like me, you know. Making payments every 2 weeks works for me. So if you want to try it out and you think that these prices are a little too expensive or too high up, I would try to see if you could do the afterpay. I think that would be a good choice for a lot of people. She does do returns. So it says on the tag, let me show you real quick. It says here on the tag, this one right here, that right here, sorry, trying to find it. Returns and exchanges will be only accepted if tags and liner remain attached. So obviously if you have like the underwear or whatever, if the inner liner is still attached, she'll accept the return. This tag, if it still is there, she'll accept the return, which is great. So let's say you bought it, you didn't like it, no, it's not my thing, the color you didn't like, you could exchange it, you could return it, which is awesome in my opinion, again. So I really wanted to try out this collection. This is the first item, or these are the two first items that I've gotten from her Skims line. I obviously shop KKW Beauty and KK Fragrance. I love those two. I am a huge Kim fan, to be honest. So it might be a little biased, my opinion, but it is money that I'm spending, so I gotta be sure I'm gonna be wearing it, you know what I'm saying? So these honestly are items that I see myself wearing when I get out the shower and I'm fresh and clean and I'm about to go watch some movies for the night and then get to bed. Like, I feel like that's like the perfect time. Obviously right now in winter is gonna be the most useful for me. I don't think I'm gonna be able to use these in spring, summer. Like, that's just too hot. But yeah, I really like them. You guys will see, I will have a try on portion in this video of how the items look on me, on my height. Again, I'm 4'11", so you guys can see how, if you're around my height, you know, how it'll look on you. So this is what the pants look like. They are a little long, not too bad. I mean, they do kind of go on the floor and stuff. But I am 4'11". You take that into consideration. I am very, very short. So I really like them. I like how comfy they are. They are see-through a little bit. As you guys can see, I'm wearing like a colored, I have black underwear on, so obviously you guys can really kind of tell tell a little bit. I don't know if it shows on camera, but yeah, and this is a size large, extra large. This is what they look like. They are super comfortable. They are super comfortable, I can tell you that for sure. I like them. They are very warm, cozy. Obviously something that for the winter time is going to be perfect to wear, not necessarily for summer. I'm pretty sure that's going to start getting, when it starts getting warm, I'm not going to be able to wear these at night even. But for right now, for the for the cold weather, sorry, they are perfect. I really like them. They are soft. They do shed a little bit. Some of the little knitting does shed a little bit, but I don't know. I think it's fine. Obviously, these are not machine washable, so you know. You're going to have to do that hand wash thing. So yeah, now let me try on the robe for you guys. So this is what the robe looks like. It is very long. As you guys can see on me, it's pretty long. Again, short people problems. It comes with the tie, of course, if you want to tie it. I think it looks good like that. I like that how she said you could even wear this as a cardigan, so you can put some jeans on and a nice blouse or a nice t-shirt, whatever you want, and then throw this on as a cardigan and just, you know, be warm at the same time and still look good. Or obviously around the house being all warm and cozy, obviously. So yes, this is the large, extra large size, and it is pretty big, as you guys can see. I don't like the excess of fabric around my arms, but it's not too bad. I mean, I can live with it. Oversized things are still in, right? I hope so. But yeah, I really like it. The color, like I said, it's not a white like my shirt. My shirt is white. But I mean, still cute, right? I mean, I like it. So, yep. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. It'll mean a lot to me. Help me grow this channel. That is one of my goals for this year, 2020, to grow my YouTube channel. I'm trying to put out content often, you know, so you guys know that I'm here and that, you know, I am working on this channel. So please share my videos, share my channel with your friends, family, whatever it is. Please help this video grow, and I will see you guys in my next video.